Not the baby hairs, huh? Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So this video that I'll be doing today is a product review. I'm back with these reviews, you feel me? It's on a company called Manga hair. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press that thumbs up and share the video. With that being said, now we can go ahead and get on into the video because I know y'all want to know, is it worth the hype? Really? So this company is an Instagram company. They also have a website. That's really how I got in touch with them. And then we just went from there. They asked me to review their edge control. And you guys know I will give you the honest review on how I'm feeling or if I ain't feeling it. This is what the product comes in, a container just like this. At the top it says their name on it and it has 3.5 ounces in it. On the back it tells you the directions and also ingredients. So you guys, everybody's typing this edge control, and if you don't know, I love me a good edge control that does not get oily in my hair or my weave, because recently I had an edge control that got oily in my weave but not my hair. But I need to do it for both. Like, I need both. I'm just gonna stick with Gorilla Snot for my edges and then stick with any type of edge control for my real hair. So there's a few things that we're looking for. 1, no flaking. 2, no white cast. 3, that it holds. And 4, that it holds. So those are usually things that we look for into edge controls, because we don't want that to happen to us, because that's what turns us off about edge control. Hopefully that's what turns you off too. Also, no oiliness. Oiliness can be a bad thing as well. So you guys, we about to put this product to the test, and I'm gonna go ahead and slick down my baby hairs, even though they look like they're already slick, but they not. I used freeze blast earlier and I just brushed it out and it just looks like this. So let's go ahead and put the product to the test. I'm nervous for them. So I just brushed my edge control part in there, and I'm gonna do, should I do the middle one first? Which one should I do? I'm gonna do the middle one. Okay, we ain't gonna hype it too much yet. We still gotta finish the rest. So let's do this side. Oof. I ain't gonna say nothing yet until I'm finished. No, they did it to the baby hairs. You feel me? Yo, not the baby hairs, huh? Yo, I like it. Now, mind you, I will be coming back to do an update for you guys, because just because it's like this right now doesn't mean it will not turn white or anything else. Sis, Pink Manga, I got the pink backdrop for you today. Don't do me like that. Just don't do me like, don't have me slain. I'm already slain. Don't have me slaying some more, you feel me? It's definitely a nice hold. It has a little smell to it. It kind of smells like, if you have the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation, my gosh, that's just a long name. It smells exactly like that. I don't know why. No, huh? Well, from this review right here, I'm telling you guys, don't waste your money on any edge control. Go ahead and get pink Manga, you feel me? Because it's the real deal right now. Like, look at this. Like, look how clean that is. It comes in a bag like this. I'm trying to cover my address because I don't want y'all to be trying to see my address. But it comes in a bag like this. So it's a cute pink bag. Whatever the case may be, we don't worry about the edge control. So go ahead, you guys, go ahead and buy that. I don't have a code for you guys, but I will leave all the information below for you guys to go ahead and check that out, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Like, I just gave you like a free opportunity to just have your edges in order. You feel me? So thank you guys for watching. Tune in for more videos. If you want to see how I got this eye look, I will leave it at the top right now somewhere. And thank you guys for watching.